drowning in a sea of bills and financial statements. Let's dive into Quicken and see if it can be your financial life raft in just 90 seconds first. We'll look at what Quicken actually does. It's essentially a centralized hub for all your finances. You can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, and even loans, all in one place. The core of Quicken lies in budgeting. It helps you categorize your transactions automatically, so you can see exactly where your money is going each month. No more guessing where that extra cash disappeared to. You can create budgets, set goals, and track your progress. Next up, investments. Quicken allows you to track your portfolio performance, monitor your asset allocation, and see how your investments are doing over time. It can even help you with tax planning related to your investments. Quicken generates reports that give you a clear picture of your financial health. Think income statements, balance sheets, and net worth reports. These insights are invaluable for making informed financial decisions. Now for the crucial part, the cost. Quicken offers different subscription tiers, each with varying features. It's essential to compare the features offered at each price point and consider which plan best aligns with your specific needs. This is where you need to be honest with yourself about the features you will actually use. But don't forget, Quicken isn't the only player in the game. There are alternatives like Mint, Personal Capital, and YNAB. You need a budget. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so do your research to find the best fit for your budget and needs. Ultimately, whether Quicken is worth it depends on your individual needs and financial situation. If you're looking for comprehensive financial management in one place, and you're willing to pay for it, Quicken can be a powerful tool. But if you're on a tight budget or need a simpler solution, explore those alternatives. So, is Quicken the right choice for you?